The most important thing today is that you open your book with me to page 250. Can you please listen? It's 250, and we will be working from the book together, all right? So let's see here. Where last week on Thursday, we discussed addition of decimals, and today, Sunday, the 5th of April, we're discussing the subtraction of decimal, right? The most important thing that you need to put in consideration when you're subtracting or addition or adding decimals is to keep aligning the numbers in order to add them correctly or subtract them correctly. So let's see the first question here. We have here, we're starting actually for our agenda, we're doing questions from the practice section 13 to 33, the odd ones, and your homework would be page 188 from 1 to 9 all, right? So your homework is this, and our classwork would be this, all right? So number 13 now, we're starting right away. So let's see here. Mister, you're not allowed to talk without permission, please. If you have anything, text me in the chat section, and I'll see your message and I'll respond to you. Please don't talk. Right. Mister, it's written on the board here. You can see it. It's 250, and don't ask me that again. All right. 150. Okay. So this is our lesson today. All right. Following with me. Are we good here, everyone? Okay, now I'm nominating someone to help me with the first question here. All right. So I'll choose here Al-Walid Thamir. Are you following with me? Walid?
ديك على وشك. ما تحطه بوقت. طب هي اللي بتاخدها.
The microphone should be muted, please. The microphone should be muted, please. For the parents and the students, please mute your microphones. Only those who are helping me here or participating in the class should unmute their microphones. And please keep quiet. Right, Al-Walid is not available, so we're moving on to someone else. Yazan Ammar from 5A.
Mister, I'm here.
Yes.
The first one is 0.820.
Yeah. Okay, I'll start writing with you, Yazan. So give me the numbers.
0.825.
Okay, 0. What?
825.
825 minus
0. 348.
348. All right, very good. So let's see here. We're subtracting these two numbers. So you can see here 5 minus 8. Can we do that? 5 minus 8 equal.
Mister, this is number 1.
Number 13. We're doing number 13. I'm sorry. This is not number 13. My mistake. All right, so we'll erase this, Yazan, and you need to give me number 13, please.
Okay. Zero point 647.
Okay, so it's 0. I'm sorry. Okay, 0.
647.
Right. Minus.
0.562.
562. Okay. Let's try with this one. 7 minus 2.
7 minus 2 is 5.
Right. 4 minus 6.
We make the 414.
How? We need to borrow.
We take 1 from the 6.
Yes, we borrow 1 from the 6, so this would be 14. And
This
this would
will
be
become 5.
14
8
minus
minus
6 is
8.
8. 5 minus 5.
0. And the
0.
decimal. 0
Decimal
and
point. Don't forget decimal point. We put decimal point aligned with the decimal points here. So decimal point, under decimal point, under decimal point. And then 0 minus 0.
0.
All right. Excellent job, Yazan. Well done. Now moving on to a different question and different student. All right. Let's see here. Thank you very much for Yazan for your effort. You've got a good job here. You've done a good job. And let's see here. We're nominating a different student. Omar, are you ready for an answer?
Yes. What is the question?
We're doing number 15 now. Number 15, this one. Can you see it on your screen?
Not yet.
Please open your book, Yamar.
Page what?
It's on page 251. Okay, it's on your screen now, it should be. Can you see it on your screen?
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right, so let me answer this with you. So we're starting from the very beginning. We have here 23.915 thousandths minus 20.508 thousandths. How can we work this out? First of all, you see here we have decimal points here. What should we do about this? The decimal points. What should we do here? We put decimal point here. Yes? Omar, still there? We lost Omar. Omar? No.
Something wrong
No.
just happened.
No.
So my mic got muted.
I can hear you now. I can hear you now.
Yes, my mic muted.
No worries, all. So I can hear you now. You go. All right. So now we have 5 minus 8. Omar, can you do that? Can we do 5 minus 8? No, we need to borrow 1 from here. So this would be 0. And this would be 15, yes?
Yes.
15 minus 8?
15 minus 8.
Is what? 7. And 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 5 is 4, right? And then we have the decimal point, don't forget that. And then 3 minus 0, 3. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Of course, we don't need to write the 0 here. So the answer for us here would be 3.407 thousandths. Thank you very much, Omar.
Mr. Samir, I got a question. Can I ask you?
Yes, Khaled, of course. What's your
Uh,
question?
if you put in the question 15 left in 2 minus 2 0, is it wrong in question 15?
Not wrong, but it would be useless. If you put 0 here,
Yeah, here.
it's
انت مو فتح.
okay. When I say, okay, for example, Khaled, when I say 718 minus 700, and you subtract this, so the answer would be 8 minus 0, 8, 1 minus 0, 1, and then 7 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. Do we write it like this, or
Mister, I
we write
can't
only?
see the screen.
Why not?
I can't see the screen.
Maybe you need to refresh your screen or to restart your computer, something like that, but everyone else is seeing the screen normally. Okay, so you can see here on your screen that you have 718 minus 700 is equal to 18, yes? Khalid,
Yes, mister.
do we need to write 0 here?
No.
No, it's the same thing here. If you write it, it's not wrong, but it's not useful,
Yeah,
right?
it's useful.
Yeah, so we don't really need it. If you write it, it's okay, but it's not really necessary. All right?
Thank you.
You're welcome, dear. All right, deleting this one. And doing number 17 now. Yes. Okay, so let's do number 17 here. And I'm nominating. Okay, let's see here. Who do we have today? Ahmed, are you there? Hamid? Hamza Kashif, please mute your microphone. And Omar Habi as well. Khaled Gol.
Yes, mister.
Please mute your microphone, Khaled.
I muted already.
I can still hear you. Muted. Okay. Hamza Kashif, the same thing. Okay. Okay, I'll choose here Omar Ashraf. There. Presenter with me. Omar.
Yes, Mister.
Hamid, by the way, you need to be more active with me, right? Okay, Omar, help me with number 17, please.
Well,
Yeah.
I start.
Yes, please. You have it on the screen. Do you see it on the screen?
Yes, we
Okay.
put a zero. We put a zero. Yes,
Next to
here.
the 6.
Yeah,
Okay, very good.
then you can subtract 0 by 7. It's gonna be a 10. Then the 6 is going to be a 5.
Right, so here this would be, the 6 would be 5, and this would be a 10.
Yeah.
So 10 minus 7 is 3.
Yes.
5 minus 6. Can we do
can-
5 minus 6?
No, so it's 15.
We borrow 1 from here, so the 1 would be 0, and the 5 would be 15.
Yes.
15 minus 6,
9.
9. And the decimal point, what happens to the decimal point?
We put it in the same place.
Yes, exactly. So we have decimal point here, don't forget that. And now we have 0 minus 0,
0.
of course. And 4 minus 1,
3.
that's it. Excellent job, yeah, Omar. Thank you very much for your support and help. Moving on to someone else. And let's see here. We have Mr. Rafid Bashar from 5A as well.
Yes,
Rafid
sir.
Bashar. Hello, Rafid. How are you doing today? Can you help me with number 19 here?
Yes.
Number 9. Yeah, of course. Thank you very much for being so supportive. Number 19 here. All right. Okay, Rafid, go ahead.
1 minus 8 can't be, so 5 will be 4, and the 0 will be 10, then the 10 will be 9,
Excellent
and then
job.
1
So,
will be 11.
okay, Rafid, please slow down.
Yes.
Some people, maybe I'm not that good as you are in mathematics, so you need to be slow so I can understand what you're saying, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now we have 1 minus 8. We cannot do that. What shall we do?
So we have to borrow.
Borrow from the 0 here? Can we borrow
No,
from 0?
No,
No, we cannot
we
borrow
borrow
from
from
0.
5.
So from the 5. So the 5 would be 4.
And the 0 will be 10.
Okay, and the 0 would be 10.
Then the 10 will be 9.
And the 10 will be 9. Okay, this is new to me. Okay, so what happens here? So the 1 would be?
11.
Excellent job. So 11 minus 8?
3.
3. 9 minus 4?
5.
Right. 4 minus 4?
0. Then we put the
Right.
decimal point.
Don't forget decimal point, please. It's very important.
6
Right, and
minus
6 minus 3.
3.
Excellent job, Rafid. Well done. Bravo. Thank you very much, Rafid. Alrighty, so let's see. We'll move on to class B, 5B, and I'm choosing.
You were not smart because they put in that.
Yes, Hamza.
Mister,
Yes,
I'm Adnan.
Adnan from 5C. How are you, Adnan?
Yes. Fine. Can I
Yeah,
answer?
Oh my god.
yeah.
We need
Actually,
another
I'm moving on.
phone.
I'm going in order from on the list here because you're in 5C. I'm coming to you in a moment, but just bear with me, okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much, dear. All right, I'll start with Ahmed Zakaria. Ahmed Zakaria, can you help me here? Ahmed Zakaria? No. Who's having someone talking in the background? I hear lots of noise in the background. Someone like TV or someone talking.
Not me.
You don't talk, please. Don't say not me. If everyone says
Who's
not
me?
me, it will be a mess. Ahmed Zakaria, are you there? No. Yassine Shihabi, are you there? This 5C?
Mister, you said that you will choose from 5B then 5C, but you
Correct.
can't choose from 5B.
Yeah, you're right, Okay, Khalid. You ready? Khalid, I will choose you, okay.
Yes,
So
mister.
let's do number 21. After Khalid would be Anas. So I'd like Anas to be ready for the next one. I'm taking now number 21. So let's do number 21 here. And then we'll move to the next one. Okay, Khalid. So I need you to help me with this one, please.
Okay, mister.
Yeah,
First
sure.
thing,
Go ahead.
First
Yeah,
thing
we have 3 minus 2.
equal 1.
Mm-hmm.
Then we can't minus 0 with 9. So
Mm-hmm.
we'll borrow from the 1, then the 0 that is on the right of the 1 will become 10, then 9, then the 0 is right of the decimal will become 10, then 9 again, then on right it will become 10, 9 again. No, just 10, not 9.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're confusing me now, Khalid. Okay. So it's 9.
Then 10,
It's 10. So 10 minus 9.
10 minus 9 equal 1.
Okay.
And 9 minus 6, which is equal 3.
Uh-huh.
Don't forget the decimal.
All right. I will not.
9 minus 8, which is 1.
Excellent job. That's it.
And
Well
no,
done, Khalid. That's enough. That's it. We have nothing more. This is a 0. We cancel the 1 and it became 0. So
it was
0
0.
minus
It's not useful.
yeah, 0 minus 0 is 0, of course, right? You don't need to mention that. Okay, so this is a 0, of course. Well done, Khalid. Thank you very much. All right, next one is coming from Anas. Anas Ashraf. Are you ready, Anas? Anas Ashraf, where are you? Let me promote you to be my helper here. Where is Anas? Anas, are you there? Guys, by the way, the participation is part of your assessment. So you have to be ready all the time. You have to have your phone ready. You have to be attentive to the class. So make sure that you are ready. When I ask you to answer, you have to be ready for that. Anas, are you still asleep or what? Okay, moving on to Ali Musa. Are you there? Ali Musa? Ali?
Mr. Samir, I'm here, but you're muting me.
No, actually, I have promoted you to be a presenter, so you can unmute your microphone. Okay,
Okay,
Anas, go ahead. Okay, go ahead. We're doing number 23 now. Yes.
1.852 minus
Okay.
0.963.
What the heck is that? Guys, mute your microphones. Because actually, slow down. We're doing this quietly, please. So, Anas, would you like to do it like this, or would you like to align it?
Align it.
Okay, very good. Of course, we can do that. We have the option of this way or aligning the question. So we will align it together. Let's write it again here, number 23. And we have here 1 point, sorry. Oh.
Mister, are you there?
I am there, but there's something wrong with my my pen.
Mister, what's happening?
Give me a moment, please. My stylus is not functioning properly. The stylus is the pen I'm using, and it has some problem. Actually, it's writing without control. So for some reason, it went crazy. Okay, now it's functioning properly. Okay, so it's 1.85. 852 what?
I don't know.
852 thousandths. Thousandths? How many digits do we have here? 1, 2, 3. So if 3 digits after the decimal point, it's called thousandths.
Okay.
And as we discussed this before, we learned about decimals in the beginning
Mister,
of the
I
year.
know, but you asked me what is it.
Yeah,
So-
okay. So you know, okay. So it's minus 0.963. All right, let's subtract 2 minus 3.
We cannot. 12 minus 3 is 9.
So we have here, this would be 12, and this would be 4. Don't forget to write it down. So 12 minus 3 is 9.
9.
4 minus 6, we cannot do that as
Cannot.
well.
It will be 14, and 6, it will be 8.
So this would be 14, and this would be 6. So
It's
14
8.
minus 6 is 8. 7 minus 9.
We cannot. It will be 17 minus 9, and it's 8.
So this would be 17 minus 9 would be 8. And don't forget the decimal point. And 0 minus 0 is 0. Right?
And that, yes.
Well done, guys. Thank you very much. Okay. Moving on. And now we're taking someone from Kareem Hisham. Are you there?
Mister, what was the answer for number
Yes.
23?
Okay, I'll go back to this one here. For number, which one? Number 19 or what did you say, Omar?
23. 23.
23 is 0.889 thousandths. Got it?
Yes.
You have any difficulty with it?
No, I just thought it was wrong.
No worries. Okay, we're doing number 25 now. All right, so let's see here. Kareem, are you there? Kareem?
Yes.
Yes, dear. Okay, let's see about this one. We have here 81.171 thousandths minus n, when n is equal to 20.83 hundredths. All right, so we're replacing the n with this value. So we have a value here of n. So this is the value of n. And we are replacing the n here with this value. So put this number here in this place. Okay, so the question would be 81.171 minus what? Kareem?
Minus 20.83.
All right. Would you like to align it, or would you like to do it this way?
I want to align it.
Okay, go ahead. Give me numbers. So number 25 again is
Oh, 20.
81.171 minus 20.83. Yes? Subtract. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
We put 0.
Excellent job. So we add 0 here first. Change the color. And we add 0 here. Thank you very much for being attentive here, Kareem. And we'll continue.
And then we minus 1 from 0 equal 1.
1 minus 0 equal 1.
7 minus 3 equal 4. And 1 minus 8. No. Yes, it's correct. And then we cross 8.
Cross
or
8.
Cross 1. Cross 1.
Okay. I'm waiting.
And the 1 became 11.
The one here would be a 0. Yes. And the
No,
one here would,
one.
the other one would be 11. Excellent job. 11 minus 8. 3. Don't forget the decimal point. And then 0 minus 0. 0.
Equals 0.
8 minus 2.
6.
That's it. Thank you very much, Kareem. Well done. Here, a smiley face for you. Looks very funny,
Thank
but
you.
You're welcome, dear. All righty, let's move on to 5C. And I'm starting with Adnan. Adnan, there. I'm promoting you to be a presenter now. Oh, okay, go ahead. We're doing number 27. So let's, yes. We need to simplify this expression.
Yes, mister.
Yes, dear. We need to simplify this expression. So first of all, what shall we do?
We subtract 0.729 minus 0.483.
Excellent job.
Equal 0.246. Then we plus 0.772. Then we add 0. That is
So,
equal.
First of all, which rule do we follow here? The rule of order of what? Order of?
Subtraction? I don't know.
Order of operations. Iyad Islam, don't talk without permission, please. Order of operations. Thank you very much, Iyad Islam, for being attentive and being ready all the time, but please at least give other people a chance to think, all right? Order of operations. What's the rule of order of operations? What's the method that we follow in order of operations? Yeah, Adnan?
We see first if there is...
No, first of all, we have an acronym, like a word that we use to do order of operations. PED, what is it called? PED what? PED.
PED math, mister.
PED math, yeah, Khalid, then don't talk without permission, okay. And we go from where to where? From left to
right.
To right, excellent. Okay, so we're going from left to right, because actually we have here subtraction and then addition. So we're going from left to right. So we're gonna do the subtraction first, and then we do the addition. So
Okay.
from left to right, we have the subtraction. So we'll do the subtraction here. Let me erase this part. And then do the subtraction aligned, and then do the addition aligned. So we have here 0. Adnan, continue please with me. 0.729 minus 0.483 equal 9 minus 3, 6.
6. 2 minus 8. We take 1 from 7 and we put it with the 2. It will be 12. 12 minus 8 equal 4, and 6 minus 4 equal 2. We put the decimal, then 0 minus 0 equals 0.
X.
Mister, I can't hear you.
So y
Okay, خلاص, I hear.
plus 72 hundredths. So we have here this part. We need now to do the addition.
Okay.
The addition would be coming from a different student. Thank you very much, Adnan, for your part. You've been great. Okay, let's see here. Basim Mazin Saleh from 5C. Are you there?
Yes, hello, Mister.
Yes, go ahead, Basim. Help me with this part. We're doing the addition part here. We have 0.246
Plus 0.720.
Is it 720 or 72? I can see only 72.
72, but it's exactly the same.
Yeah, it's exactly the same. Thank you very much for that.
So
We added the 0 here. 6.
Yeah, 6 plus 0 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Decimal 0 plus 0 equals 0. So the answer is 0.966.
Excellent job. Thank you very much for that, Basim. So the answer is 966. What's the value of this number? It's 966 thousandths, all right?
Yes.
So that was number 29. Let's see number 31 coming from a different student. I'm nominating Mr. Hazim Karim Mitwalli. Are you there? Ready for the answer here? No? You can unmute your microphone. Make sure that you have your microphone unmuted before you talk. Hamza? Hamza Muhammad Yahya.
Yes, Mister.
Which one are you? Oh, Hamza Muhammad Yahya. Yes. Okay, go ahead, Hamza. We're doing number 31. No, we've done
5.6 is bigger than 9.4 minus 4.72.
Okay, let's write this down quickly.
Number 29.
Number 20, yes, 29. Okay.
Mister, I solved number 29 or 31?
Yeah, number 29. Okay, so now we have...
We will start with the bracket.
All right. Why do we start with the bracket?
Because we have to start with
We
the
have
bracket.
we have a rule. What's the rule that we're following here?
There is order of operation.
Order of operation, and we follow the PEDMAS, yes?
Yes.
What's PEDMAS? What does it stand for? Let's remember together quickly. P is parenthesis,
I know only the last four letters. That's all.
No. Parenthesis is another word for brackets, yeah? Okay, so we have here brackets. So we start with the brackets. Of course, E is exponents, which is another word for power. We learned about power last week. And of course, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so now we know all the letters and all the words. Parentheses or brackets, power or exponent, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. And of course, we're going from left to right, L to R. Okay, so we're going from here to here. We start with the P, which is parentheses or brackets. So let's see this part. Go ahead.
0.526 plus 0.32. We will put 0 after the 2.
So we add 0 here. Let's add 6 plus 0.
6 plus 0 is equal 6.
6.
And 2 plus 2 is equal 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 0 plus 0 is 0.
Don't forget the decimal point, mister. This is very important. Yes?
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much for this part. I'll choose a different student to help me with the other parts. Thank you very much. I'm nominating whom? Let's see here. Yassine Shihabi. Yassine.
Hello.
Aywa, what? Yassine, you should say yes, I'm ready or something like that. Okay. Yassine, what shall we do next?
We're gonna subtract.
Which part? We have three numbers.
0.93 minus 0.02.
Why do we do this one, not the second and third, for example? Because we're going from left to right. Excellent job. So we're gonna put a bracket here, and we do this part. Okay, now can you do the subtraction right away? Would you like me to align them for you?
Yes.
All right, sure. We can do this in the draft here. So we have here, give me numbers.
0.93.
All right.
Subtract by 0.846.
846. Okay. What can we do next?
Add a 0 to 0.93.
Okay, I've done that. What shall I do next?
Take 1 from the 3.
Right. So this would be 2.
2.
And 0 would be
10.
10. 10 minus 6.
4.
4. 2 minus 4.
Not allowed.
All right. So what shall we do?
9.
So the 9 would be 8.
Yes.
And the 2 would be 12.
12.
All right. 12 minus 4.
12 minus 4. 8.
Right. And 8 minus 8.
0.
Right.
And 0 minus 0 is 0. Decimal. The decimal.
Don't forget decimal point, mister. All right, so we're done with this part. Thank you very much for that, Mr. Yassine Al-Shihabi. All right, thank you, Yassine. Moving on to Ziad. Ziad Basim Muhammad Mahmoud Eid.
I'm here, mister.
Yes, Ziad. Very good. We're done with the first part of the subtraction. This one. So the answer for this part is 0.084, which is 84 thousandths. All right, minus 0.02. All right, would you like to align the numbers or to go for them right away?
Okay, align them.
All right, sure, we can align them here. So we have here, what should I write here?
0.0884
minus
0.02, and we will add a 0.
Excellent job. Now let's do the subtraction. 4 minus 0. Mister, about 4 minus 0.
And 4.
4. Okay.
8 minus 2, 6.
Right.
0 minus 0, 0, and the decimal point, then we'll put another 0.
Wonderful. So the answer for this question is 0.064. Well done. Thank you much, Zaid. Ziad, is it Zaid or Ziad?
Ziad.
All right. Thank you very much, Ziad, for that. All right. Moving on back to 5A. Actually, we're running out of time. I'll choose.
Mister, I didn't. Mister, you didn't choose me because I came in late.
Mister,
okay,
you didn't choose me.
Guys, I'll choose you, but of course I cannot choose like
you're requesting time.
Yes.
Wait, guys. I cannot choose everyone here because actually we're having like 60 students here, so I cannot really choose everyone. But I'll make sure that every session I will choose enough people.
I never solved with you, even the last period and before the last period.
Also me.
Talal. Okay, Talal, I will choose you. Don't worry. Okay.
Mister, I didn't choose.
Mister, last time you choose from the upper part.
Yeah, Mister, you didn't choose me from
2 years.
Yes.
Okay, I'll make sure that I will choose everyone. Don't worry, guys. All right. Just let me.
You chose Rafik 2 times. You chose in the last period and this period.
I will choose you as well. Osama. I will make sure that I will choose you. Don't worry. I'll choose everyone, guys. I'm taking record of everyone who's answering. So I'll make sure that, of course, you'll be getting marks for participation. And of course, I will be making sure that I will choose everyone every time. All right. So I mean, like every time I will choose different people. So everyone will have a chance to participate. Okay, but I need to take a record of the attendees. So I will add you to the attendance list.
Mister, I can't hear anything.
Yes, I'm not saying anything actually because I'm going to take the attendance now. Give me a moment, please, Yanis.
Mister, I think the break started.
Not yet. We still have 10 minutes.
Yep.
So give me a moment, please. I stopped by Kareem Hisham here.
Mister, do we leave?
No, we're not done. We're not done, Habib.
Still, Mister, 10 minutes.
We still have 10 minutes, and I'm just taking the attendance here. So I make sure that everyone attended will be getting the marks for the attendance. This is one thing. And the other thing is that I have to make sure that those who didn't attend will be reported for that. All right. So thank you for your patience. I'm done with the attendance now. Let's get back to
I
our
wrote something to you
session.
in the chat.
What's that?
I wrote something to you in the chat.
Okay, I'll check it. Is it urgent? Do I have to check it right away?
No.
Okay, I'll
Mr.
check.
Samir,
Okay, yes, Khalid.
the period finished or no?
Not yet, Habibi. We still have 10 minutes. 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Mister, on 11 o'clock it's over. The period should be finished by now.
No,
No,
Habibi, it's
11,
from
10,
10
No,
10 to 11.
11, 10.
Shh. Okay, silence, please. Back to the class now. Back to the answering. I'm choosing from the attendees from 5A, Mr. Abdul Malik Tariq. Abdul Malik?
Yeah, Mister, just give me a moment, please.
Why? No time for that. Okay, we have here 5.6 is bigger than or equal or less than 9.4 minus, so we have here 9.4 minus 4.72. Abdul Malik, I'm
Yes.
helping you here. I'm helping you here, so you need to help me quickly.
Um.
We're adding 0 here.
Okay. 0. It will not be able to be subtracted by 2, so you'll borrow from the 4. The 4 will be 3. The 0 shall be 10.
Right. 10 minus 2.
But now the 4 when it turned into the 3, it will not be able to be subtracted by the 7. So it shall take from the 9, and the 9 shall be 8.
So this will be 13.
Yes, 13.
13 minus 7.
6.
Minus 7. 6.
And then the decimal point.
8 minus 4.
And then 8 minus 4 shall equal 4.
Right. So this part altogether would be equal 4.68.
So 5.6 is more than 4.68.
Of course, because here the whole number is 5 and the whole number here is 4. So of course this one is excellent job.
Mister, but we'll still not be able to fully compare them because the 5.6 must be 5.60. So it could be fair.
You're right, but we have to look at the whole number first.
Yes.
Okay, listen to this, Abdul Malik. Your supposition or a suggestion here is valid in case that we have the whole numbers equal, right? But
yes.
The whole number here is 5 and the other whole number is 4. For example, if you have 500 and 400 and then fraction 560 and 468. So it's obvious that we're looking at the 500 and 400 first, okay?
Okay, yes, Mr.
Yes, exactly.
May I mute?
Yeah, of course. Thank you very much for your effort. You've done great. And let's see here.
My pleasure.
You're welcome. Thank you. All right. From 5B now. 5B, I'm choosing Ahmed Sheikh. Ahmed Sheikh, are you there? Ahmed Sheikh. Yeah, no. Hamza Kashif. Still there? Hamza.
Yes, I'm here.
Did you answer in the beginning of the class?
No.
Okay, so let's do this one together. We're doing number 33.
Yeah. 12.6 minus 4 equals 8.6.
All right, let me write this down for you here. So we have 12 minus 4 and 46.2 minus 30. So how can we do this, Hamza?
We align them and then subtract them and then we compare them.
All right, very good. So we're starting with the 12.6 minus 4 or the 46.2 minus 36.479.
We start with 12.6 minus 4.
All right. So what should I write here?
12.6
minus 4.
minus 4.
Where can I write the 4?
Under the 2.
Okay, very good. So what should I do now?
6 minus 0 equals 6.
Where is the 0? I cannot see a 0 here.
Add 1.
Here? Put 0 here?
Under the 6.
Okay, that's it?
And add a decimal.
Don't forget that, please. Excellent job, yeah, Hamza. Well done. So if we add 0 here, we have to add decimal point here, all right?
Yeah.
So 6 minus 0 is 6, and then the decimal point, and then 12 minus 4 is 8. So this part of the question or the inequality is 8.6, okay? Yes. All right. What about the second part or the second section? 46.2. I'm choosing a different person, different student to help me with this one. Thank you, Hamza, for your effort anyway.
Mr. After 2 minutes. Mr. Which question now we are?
It's written already on the screen, number 33.
I can't see the screen. I can't.
Why not?
I don't know.
Who's talking here?
Me, Kareem.
Kareem, I think it's either because you're using a small device like a phone or a tablet, or you need to restart your computer for some internet connection issues, right? But either way, we're doing number 33. And you'll find the video of all the session after we finish the class, maybe like 30 minutes or so after the class. Now I'd like to choose Bilal Ramzi. You have your microphone fixed or not? No. Ali Musa and Ahmed Zakaria, you're not participating at all. Abdullah Hadi, are you there?
Mr. The period finished.
Yes, I see the period has finished. Okay. I'll choose someone who's ready. Iyad Wasamuddin. Iyad. Are you gone? Iyad Islam.
Yes, Mr.
Iyad Islam. Okay. I know that you came, yeah, Iyad Wissam, but yeah, I'll go with Iyad Islam now. Give me the answer for this one, please, Iyad Islam.
Yes. We put 2 zeros next to the 2.
All right, so I've done that. What should I do next?
We cannot subtract 0 from the 9, so it becomes 10. We borrow from the 2 becomes 1. Be 9 and the 0 will be 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. And 10 minus 7 is 3.
No, it's not 10. No, it's not 10 yet, because we borrowed 1 from it.
I mean 9 minus 7 is 2.
Right.
And
I'm sorry that I wrote it as
one from
small.
The 1 will become 11 and the 6 will be 5.
Right, so this would be 11.
11 minus 4 is 7.
Right.
We put the decimal point.
5 minus 6 cannot be.
No, it becomes 15, and the 4 will be 3.
15 minus 6.
15 minus 6 is 9, and 3 minus 3 is 0, and it's not necessary.
Right, so this part of the equation is 9.721. So
8.6 is less. 8.6 is less than 9.721.
Why didn't we add 2 zeros here, as Abdulmalik suggested? Because we're looking at the whole number first. Yes, of course. Thank you very much. So this is it for our lesson today. Thank you very much, guys, for your effort and your participation. Those who participated and have been ready will get the participation marks. Those who haven't been ready, please be ready next time so I can give you marks for the participation. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Mr.
You're welcome.
Can I go?
We're done here. Yes, today. Thank you very
Can I
much.
go?
And
Yes,
you can go
thank you,
now.
Mister.
Our class has finished. You're welcome, dear. Have a lovely day.
Thank you, Mister.
Stay home.
Thank you,
Stay home.
Mr.
Stay safe. Thank you very much.
Mister,
Bye-bye.
do we leave?
Yes, you can leave.